Hey everybody, let's take a quick second and talk about two features of the BenQ board, and that would be the math tools and the built-in whiteboard templates. So to get to the math tools and built-in whiteboard templates, we are going to go to the home button here on our BenQ. That takes us back to this screen, and we're going to use the whiteboard. So once we're in the whiteboard, we are going to use these tools down here on this menu bar. And the first tool we're going to take a look at is this tool right here. So when you open this tool, you will see many different math options, including a countdown timer and a scoreboard and whatnot. And you can simply click on these options to get them started. If you don't like what you see and you need to get out of these options, sorry, here's what it looks like. You can X out over here. I'm not going to save this one. And we can simply select another option. Again, to remove that item or that option, look for that X. Let's take a look at some pre-made templates they have built in for the whiteboard. And this is our template button right here. And once you open that up, I'm going to demonstrate this guy. These are pre-made templates. Now with these, you'll see some templates on your screen. You can scroll to find different ones. I'm going to demonstrate a KWL chart. So this is what a KWL chart will look like when it pops up. And then you can use your pen tool, your text box tool to add to the whiteboard as well as erase. Hope that helps.